Welcome to part one of setting up your MinMod series stream package. We are going over setting up your start, BRB, and end scenes, as well as setting up a countdown timer for your start scene. Now remember, I am using OBS Studio and StreamElements as the platforms that I am setting this up on. If you are trying to use Streamlabs OBS, I'm not using that platform. The integration is slightly different, and I am not using that. So it should work out similarly the same if you're familiar with that platform and that's what you're using, but that's not what I'm setting up with in this tutorial. I'm using OBS Studio and StreamElements. So first, once you've entered your StreamElements dashboard, you can log in with Twitch or whatever streaming service that you are using. There are a few you can log in with. I'm focusing on Twitch because that's what I use. And you'll see over in the left-hand menu, we have streaming tools, overlays gallery, and my overlays. You're gonna click on my overlays, and you'll be brought to this window here. I have test alert set up to make sure it all works properly. We're gonna get started right away. So there's a couple different ways of getting set up with your overlays, but we're gonna focus on just setting everything up in StreamElements. That way it's super simple to drop into OBS later on. So what we're gonna do now is we hit new overlay. We're gonna click start with the 1080p resolution as the base canvas. That's important because all of the file dimensions for the full screen are going to be 1920 by 1080. So if the canvas size is not right, it won't align properly, which is wah wah. So we're going to start with the Be Right Back and the end scene because they are the simplest, and then we will get into the start scene with the countdown timer. Firstly, you're going to see the plus button here over the canvas. We're going to click on that, go to static/custom, add an image, and first you're going to see that it's 200 by 200. That doesn't work for us. We need it to fill the whole canvas, so we're going to type in 1920 by 1080. I like to click center widget for good luck, and then we're going to go into settings, set image, and you can see I already have some here, including the MinMod overlays, but just to walk through everything, there's the upload button here in the top right corner. We're going to click on that and then drag and drop or select files. I'm going to select. So I'm in the stream package files, and we are going to click on scene overlays. First, we are going to go for BRB, open, upload. It'll be here in the menu, but it's not automatically selected. You need to click submit, and then it will fill the whole canvas. We have it set to 1920 by 1080. It's full. That's amazing. And then we are going to name it MinMod Red BRB. We have MinMod Red BRB scene. We're going to click save. And for now, we're just going to leave it like that. So we're going to hit the back button in the top left, and that's the one in the StreamElements, not the browser. So now we have MinMod Red BRB scene, new overlay. We're going to repeat the exact same thing. We're going to hit plus, static and custom, add image, change the sizing, 1920 by 1080, center for good luck. And then we're going to set the image, click upload, select files, and then ending. Click submit, and there we have it. We're going to save, and we are going to go back. And now we're going to set up the start. We're going to hit plus, static custom image. We're going to change the size, center, set image, upload, select file, and then we're going to select starting. So we're going to upload that. Now we're going to add the countdown clock. So the way we do that is hitting the plus button again, and then we are going to go to engagement and then countdown. So here you'll see it pops up in the top left corner of the canvas, and we're going to do count exact time. But then down here you see message, days and hours. Unless you're really trying to hype up a stream, you don't really need those. So if you just highlight days and hours and then delete, it'll just bring it down to the minutes that we're actually going to be using. Normally, you can set between 5 to 10 minutes for a stream start, but mainly it's based off of what you want to use. Now we're going to click on position, size, and style. Right now it's set at 200 by 50. I'm just going to switch this over to 100 100 for now. Make it a little bit bigger because once we make the text bigger, it will come down larger than the box allows it to. And now we are in the text settings. We're going to switch from Nunito over to Open Sans. I like the look of this one. It's clean. It matches fairly with the text that I used for the design. We're going to drop on down. Bold is good. Uppercase we don't need. I'm going to turn off the text shadow, and now we're going to change the size, and we'll see how big we want to make it. So 40, 50, maybe if we go to 80, see how that looks. What I said before is happening here. If it goes beyond the box, it will get cut off, but that's a simple fix. We come over to position, size, and style, and then we'll make the width. Let's see, does 210 work? It does. It's just big enough. I personally would at least go 215 just to give it enough space. So you can click and drag to move it around. But what we're gonna do here, position, size, and style, we're gonna center widget. So that way it's just sitting right in the center. It matches up with the overlay and you are good to go. That is how you set up your start, BRB, and end scenes along with the start scene countdown timer.